Hello, I'm Cristina Marujos, and you're watching the Daily Market Comment at xm.com by Marios Hadjikyriacos. There's no reprieve for the wounded British pound, which fell to a fresh 2.5-year low against the dollar earlier today, following another round of worrisome Brexit rhetoric. Boris Johnson and his Brexiteer lieutenants reiterated that the Irish backstop is dead. Meanwhile, EU officials remain adamant that the withdrawal agreement isn't up for renegotiation and that any deal must include the backstop. Therefore, since neither is likely to back down, there's even less time to find a negotiated solution, increasing the probability of a no-deal exit in October further. Looking ahead, the risks around the pound seem tilted to the downside. For the tide to turn, investors would either need to see signals of real progress in the talks, which seems highly unlikely for now, or Parliament may have to trigger a general election that fuels hopes for another referendum down the road. The Bank of Japan kept its gargantuan stimulus program unchanged earlier today, as was widely expected. Perhaps a little more surprising was that policymakers also kept their forward guidance unchanged, disappointing those looking for an even more dovish tone amid a darkening global outlook and a slowing domestic data pulse. As for the yen, the broader outlook remains positive. Both the Fed and the ECB are preparing to ease, which implies that we are entering a paradigm of monetary policy convergence, as the Bank of Japan has very limited firepower to ease further. Hence, rate differentials will likely narrow in the yen's favor, increasing its appeal. Not to mention that any piece of bad news, like another escalation in trade tensions, would likely fuel safe haven demand for the Japanese currency. On the data front, the day kicks off with preliminary data for July out of Germany. In the US, traders will keep an eye on the personal consumption and income data for June, as well as on the core PCE price index. Meanwhile, in Shanghai, the trade talks between the US and China will resume. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thank you for watching us at xm.com.